At Herald Christian Health Center in Rosemead, California, thousands of the community's neediest residents receive some of the state's best medical care by design.
We have the slogan that we want to provide holistic care to the underserved. These people, they're leaving their country, they're coming to a new country, and maybe they're alone, they're by themselves, and I think what we are trying to do is to provide a home for them.
A home with an attentive medical family offering a growing list of health services to bring more of the needy through their door. But as patient count increases, so too do the challenges.
We are in a data-driven world, and we need to collect the data, monitor the data, validating the data, they are correct or not. So this is our day-to-day challenge.
Allied Pacific is Herald's IPA. They understand well what their members are up against.
They juggle many hats. They have to greet the patients, they have to fill out the paperwork and finish out the coding. So they're more struggling to manage their schedule and service the patients while finishing all the requirements by the health plans and the government.
In 2017, in spite of positive patient feedback, Herald Christian Health Center was labeled a high-volume, low-performing provider.
Meaning they have a high membership, but they're not doing so well on their healthcare metrics. However, they're taken aback by the scores. They were like, no, this shouldn't be our performance. We are actually doing better than what you're showing. We took a step back and listened to the feedback from each staff, ranging from their senior management to their frontline staff, to understand their struggles and also what they were facing internally.
These meetings uncovered a system glitch, one that caused Herald to lose significant amounts of data. Allied brought in its own data management team to assess Herald's problem and fix it.
We connected the dots and found that they're actually doing better than we're showing.
The collaboration between IPA and the medical practice went so well. Allied and Herald instituted regular meetings.
Allied Pacific and Herald Christian has a great partnership. We're working side by side, listening to each other's struggles, and we understand what we're facing. By that, we work together to resolve the issues.
Is it very hard? It's hard, but I think our team, we enjoy the process. Working with Ally, they actually pay a lot of attention to us, especially what we need for our patients. And oftentimes when we speak, they try to make it happen, which is good. You don't see a lot of IPAs going to that extent to help.
We go through not only clinical measure, we go through billing issues. So we want to make sure to tackle any things that come in between us to affect us, anything that affect us moving together. Our patient is their patient. So we have the same goal to provide the best quality health care for the underserved.
The partnership has been productive. Allied helped Herald to implement workflow changes, fortify its call center to bolster patient outreach, and provided them tools to teach patients ways to manage chronic illness like diabetes. And Allied did all of this with the training and assistance of the Practice Transformation Initiative, a program supporting provider organizations all over California.
PTI provide a team of coaches who can go to individual physicians' office and help them with workflow, help them transform their practice to accommodate the needs, the administrative burden of modern medicine environment. So yeah, it has been very successful.
I really love the share and learn culture at PTI because we were able to learn the best practices from other organizations, such as how to improve patient satisfaction, how to increase patient-family engagement. So being able to share and learn with other practices was very helpful.
We're constantly seeking improvement, and I think we need to adapt to new changes and new challenges with a can-do spirit.
Today, Herald Christian Health Center boasts improvements in key clinical results and has received several national awards. Herald executives credit their staff and also Allied.
One of the most beautiful things is that we are not just by ourselves. We're partnering with Allied, so there is someone to fight for us, in a sense. I don't think we can do it just by ourselves. We'll do it, but we are very happy that we have someone to do it along with us.